let's guide you with Supabase vector in n8n. So this is the simple workflow that I built with n8n. So what is .c? See, it can download the file, it can upload in super vector database and load with default loader and upload it and use OpenAI embedding model. Then we use question and answer session to chart it and vector database to get our data and chart with. So let's create this one. So go back and build with. Click on workflow, personal, workflow and personal, open in new link tab. We'll go back here and let's build with. This is simple to build. I can explain you everything in a simple way, so you can't miss any way. So click on first step and trigger will be manually. The next step will be our Google Drive module. And most of the people don't know or get an error to Google Drive connection. So I made a video how can you fix that. You can watch in my channel. Click on download a file and we need to simply select a file which can I download. I simply choose constitution PDF. So let's choose this one and simply click on execute step, and now move to the next part. That will be our click on AI agent, whether AI node and vector store, and we use Supabase vector store. Click on a document to vector store. Here is the way I can guide you how to connect your account with Supabase. Simply click on open on docs in a new tab and click on create a new credential. Okay, let's go back to Supabase. You know you already created an account on this website, so let's guide you with this website. Simply I go to my project and create a new project. So let's create a new project. This will be project overview. I simply need to create another one. I think I already created here. I see there were any way to create another one. Let's go back to our tutorial. Use the vector store to interact with vector. You can see, you can connect it right. I need to find. Let's go to this URL, open link in audio tab. And this is not what I'm looking for. Let's guide you with another account. I simply log out from this account and I simply continue with don't have an account. I need to sign up. So let's open my Gmail. I think I already used this one. So I open my another Gmail called the 6 link pin @gmail. I simply open this. I have test many of the workflow in this video. Let's open the workflow and guide you everything in the step-by-step process. Let's copy this email 6 link pin. simply copy and go back to n8n. Go here Supabase, paste it and add a password, sign up. Now I can successfully sign up on Supabase. Now verify my account and then continue to the next step. You can see I get a verification mail. I simply need to confirm it. I simply click on this and click on confirm my email address. Here you can see I can successfully confirm, and I simply need to change my email. I think I am logged in my account. You can see I am on free plan. Cancel. I don't want to create any organization. Go to Supabase. I think I need to create organization. Simply click on create. Then move to the next part. I simply need to choose a region. Region will be based on your, simply add a password. Choose the region that are closer, means that is nearest to your country or your country location. That will do the work fast for a server. Save it. Now go to the SQL editor, click on new SQL editor and open this in a new tab called quick start for getting your vector store. Simply open this in. Now simply open. Here is the tricky part come. Here you can see this will be embedding model. If you use OpenAI model, OpenAI embedding model, then it's good. If you don't use OpenAI model, any other like Gemini have 756 around embedding model, so you simply need to change the text 756. If you use OpenAI embedding model, you don't need to change anything. Or you can also use ChatGPT to change this into OpenAI, like Gemini model, Azure model, Llama model, and provide the context, and it can write code for you. If you don't know, I simply use OpenAI model. I simply go to here and I go to SQL editor and click on new, and I simply paste it and I simply run ctrl. Now it is running. Success, no row return. Go to table editor. Here you can see I got a document table. Here you can see it is created now. Now I go to my account. I need to get my API. I forget in previous, so I forget to get an API. This is the back. I go to Semantic. I need to create a new API key. Project setting. API key. Here I can find API key. I simply copy my API key and go back to our workflow. I simply paste it, and now I need to provide my account. So where can I find it? Let's try to find it. Okay, I need to scroll little bit and to find it. JW API key. add-on build .api. Here you can see I can successfully find it. Simply copy on .api, and this will be our project URL. Simply copy the project URL and go back to our data and simply paste it. This will be our project API. Simply save it. Here you can see it can successfully save it. Now go back, and this will be our Supabase account too. No thank. And the embedding model batch will be true. I simply need to choose, don't choose RPC match document, choose document. This is created by SQL code, and I need to choose embedding model. So embedding model we use OpenAI. Click on this and choose text embedding model or any. Click on document, use default data loader, and the text splitting will be simple. If you don't want to simple, you can also add custom. I go with simple. Now our step is done. Now click on execute workflow and see the output. Here you can see we got successfully output. Now move to the next part. Add a trigger node, and the trigger node will be open chat message. Click on that, and we use question and answer chain for this one to chat with our PDF. Simply you can also use AI agent. And the model will be ChatGPT mini or choose in your base. Now click on this plus button and choose vector store. The limit will be 4. Okay, don't do anything with that. Click on plus button and choose the Supabase. We work with Supabase. Click on that and choose our list. The list will be document, and don't do it. And the embedding model will be OpenAI. Embedding OpenAI. Click on that. Text embedding is 3 small. Click on here and just save it. Now our work is done. Now we can chat with our, you can open a chat and talk to our AI agent vector store. Thank you for video.